Okay, we're going to go over TDS meter readings and membrane rejection check a little more thoroughly now. This is product water coming out of the reverse osmosis membrane. We will take our TDS meter, reading 0. We'll put that into the product water and we'll let that sit for a second. That reads 7. Let's see. That reads 7. What we will do, we'll mark that down. We'll go to our instruction sheet here. It shows you the math in order to find out what the rejection is without focusing in here. So the product was 7 coming out of the RO membrane. We now have water coming out of the tap. Our meter reads 0. We'll put that back in. And this is reading 104. So 104. Okay, so going by our instructions, we are going to divide 7 by 104 with our fancy calculator. 7 divided by 104 is 0.067. So we'll write that down here, 0.067. We'll multiply that by 100 and we will get 6.7. When we multiply that out, what we'll then do is subtract that from 100 to get our percentage, minus 6.7, and that's going to yield us, okay, roughly 93% rejection. So that's great, 93%. Again, when the membranes reach anywhere from 75 to 80%, you can contemplate replacing the membrane, which is a very simple process. Again, unscrewing the caps on the RO vessels, cap here on this style, removing the membrane, reinserting the membrane the same way it came out. Again, opening the bag, not touching the membrane with your hands, just by the bag. Assemble everything back together, let it run for at least an hour, and you'll see this kind of rejection rate. Again, initially, when the reverse osmosis unit is turned on, you will get TDS that's higher than the tap water value. And again, you might ask, how am I getting more coming out than is going in? That again is a preservative that the membranes are made with. So once that is flushed, you'll get down to these kinds of rejection rates. The membrane is then ready to be brought into service.